Hey guys, so today I'm doing another Nutrisystem unboxing, but this time it is for a 5-day supply. If you guys are interested in looking at what comes in a full month supply, I have another video on that and I will leave it linked down below. But first, do not forget to relax, do not forget to go grab your coffee, and do not forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sorry, had to say it. So without further ado, I will be opening this. I'll be showing you guys everything that comes in this box. I got it at Meijer, but there are a bunch of other stores that sell it. I believe Walmart, Costco, places like that. And if you guys are also interested in seeing how the foods look once they are prepared, I also have videos on that. What do you know? So look in the description. I will link all my Nutrisystem videos. All right, let's open this up. Alright, so I'm going to take things out of the box and then I'm going to pan over all the food so that you guys can see it a little bit closer. Alright, so sit tight, relax. So it comes with one of these, eat free for 3 weeks plus free shipping. So they come with this special offer in case you guys wanted to go the full month route. This is, I think, perfect for somebody who isn't really sure what kind of food they're going to be getting and they don't want to waste a bunch of money if they're not going to be happy with the product. So comes with stuff like this, mac and cheese with turkey sausage. I think these are probably going to be really similar to my 1 month supply. Home style chicken. So they come in sizes like this, really small portions, but for a Nutrisystem, you're supposed to eat some more protein aside from what they give you, but then you're also supposed to eat a ton of vegetables. I think you're supposed to eat at least 4 servings of vegetables, and then you're supposed to fill up on a lot of water. I believe it's 64 ounces of water. So with all of that, and then plus you're allowed other things, because I think that this is based off, for women, it's based off of a 1,200 calorie diet. For men, it's based off of a 1,500 calorie diet. So this food for the day usually accommodates about 800 to 900 calories. So there's all these other calories you have to account for. So it gives you leniency on things like drinks. Usually you're supposed to drink water or tea or coffee or things that aren't high in calories or high in sugars, obviously. And then you're also supposed to eat a ton of vegetables, which usually doesn't come out to be too many calories, and then fruit, and then some added protein, or you can also I guess this doesn't come with their shakes, but if you get the 1 month supply, it does come with like a week or 2 worth of shakes, which is a little bit extra, but it keeps you full longer. I actually really like their shakes. So I'm just going to take this stuff out. I'm going to put it on my couch and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what my Nutrisystem is going to be looking like for the week. We're going to start off with breakfast. There's a double chocolate chip muffin, and no, it sounds unhealthy. I think they try to keep the sugar count slightly low, and then this protein is like 7 grams of protein. So they do try to give you things that are a little higher in protein when it comes to these, and so you don't have to go looking for them yourself. And then it's a little bit higher in fiber than if you went to a coffee shop or something like that. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. Actually really love oatmeal, so that won't be a problem. Granola cereal. It doesn't feel like it comes with a whole lot, but the last time I added berries to it and then my coconut milk, and it was really good. Then there's this cinnamon bun bar. I think I've had all of these, but I really like the cinnamon bun bar. Peanut butter granola bar. It's for another breakfast food. Then moving on to lunch, you have tuna salad and loaded potato. So all it is really like mashed potatoes with stuff in it. And home style chicken. You can kind of see the sizing of these in comparison to my hand. This other lunch is trail mix bar, chocolate peanut butter bar. And then moving on to snacks. Let's see. You have the dark chocolate and sea salt nut bar, the coconut almond bar, vanilla shortbread cookies. Actually, I liked those. I like the harder, crunchy cookies. I'm weird, I guess. I don't like cookies that are really soft. I like them when they're hard. Milk chocolate flavored pretzels and chocolate chip cookies, little baggies. And last but not least, we're gonna go over dinner, which is barbecue seasoned chicken, rotini, and meatballs. So all this comes with, oh yeah, this one, some of them come with just the meatballs, but actually this one is meatballs and the sauce and the noodles. And then chili with beans. And lasagna with meat sauce. I actually haven't tried this one. Mac and cheese with turkey sausage. So yeah, that's kind of what all that looks like. So some new things in this box, but a lot of these things I've already tried before, which is probably a bonus because then I'll be able to show you guys how I actually prepare some of these things. They do actually have a website where they show how you can prepare these foods so that you can make this so it's more of a larger meal, something that's going to fill you up, or ideas on snacks and things and how you can fill the rest of your calories up. I'll probably be making videos from recipes based off of that, so you guys know what's approved for the Nutrisystem diet, for if you wanted like an extra snack or if you needed like a flex meal, because sometimes people do 5-day supply instead of a whole 7 days a week, and then the 2 other days you're supposed to eat healthy. So just kind of giving you guys a good idea of what that looks like. Okay, so if you're interested in more what I eat in a day videos, if you're interested in a before and after weight loss, because I will be weighing myself after this, and then I'll be starting the Nutrisystem plan, and then after the 5 days are up, I just kind of want to see how much I'm going to lose. I know I'm not going to lose like 10 pounds or anything. That would be awesome, but I know that that's not going to happen. I think that you could lose 2-3 pounds sometimes in a week, because you're supposed to be able to lose anywhere between 10 to 14 pounds in the entire month, which is kind of a lot. So I know that the last time I did this, I believe I lost anywhere between 10 to 13 pounds. I think it was closer to the 13 pounds, but you know, your weight fluctuates a little bit, a few pounds. So I'm just kind of curious on how much I'm going to lose in just the 5 days. So I'll be showing you guys the scale before and after, and then I'll be sharing my thoughts on the 5-day plan, whether it's worth just getting the 5 days or whether you really should be getting the full month, because it does take 21 days to create a new habits, and I think that's kind of what the goal is usually for new systems, is you want to create the habit of eating well and well proportioned. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye!